Gold against US dollar has dropped in value, and we can see what has happened. The previous week the price reached this 1.2072 price level and then made a spike all the way up to 2134 and dropped down, and this was just on a Monday. So the price dropped through the 2048 and then stopped at this price level 2016. We can see it, then bounced back up and then returned back down again. So we can see that the price is dropping in value. So this Friday candle has also suggested that the price has entered into the bearish market for this week, and there is a potential that we could see the price dropping in value also for the next week. But this weekly, we can see here how this looks. It is not completely bearish engulfing candle, but it is a bearish candle that is suggesting that the price could drop down. We can see a very strong sell-off here, which is suggesting lots of sellers have entered the market, but also the bulls who have took the price from the lower price levels have taken their trades around this one here and then drop it back down. On the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. If it closes a little bit up and also like this, it will be a bearish pin bar. So we have 3 more weeks until this candle closes. Everything is open, so we will see what happens. But after the price has made this bullish breakout, we can see that the price has reached the 2070 price level and then drop it down in value, confirming this bullish candle, bullish breakout to the upside as a valid one. But until this month ends, we cannot confirm that, because this candle for this month needs to close above 1990 in order to verify this bullish breakout. So as it looks right now, we need to wait until how this month ends. So for the levels where the price could go, we need to go to the lower time frames like weekly and also daily time frame. For the weekly, as it looks, I'm expecting that the price will drop in value a little bit more around this 1990 price level, because this is the start of this demand zone, and we can see there is also a very important level support here which needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling even more down. If the price returns back up above 2016, very critical level here, which is now acting as the resistance, it will be also a signal that the bulls have back inside in the market, and they will try to push the price again up to 2072 price level. If we go to the daily time frame, we see how this looks much more clearly, where are the very important levels. So for now, the price is stopped at 2004. I'm expecting the price will drop down and reach this one 1980 price level, which is just here a new demand zone and also a support level for the price. The price has gone below this one, so I'm expecting the price, there is a possibility that it returns back up and then continues to fall down, just to verify this breakout to the downside. In order for the price to return to higher price levels, it needs to go above 2016 price level, which is a very important level for the bulls. If the price continues to move up and manages to close the day above, this will be a great signal for the bulls. But as it looks right now, I'm expecting they will have enough strength at least here until they reach this area here. When they reach this one here, which is 1980, it will be very important to see how the price behaves around this demand zone, and is there enough bulls here that they will prevent the price from falling down, and also will the sellers exit their trades here to see the price moving to the upside. If the price continues to fall down, this is a very important level, and if the price breaks below and confirms, the next one where the price could stop is this one here, around 1953. So until that happens, we will see what happens next week, but for now I'm expecting to see the price right here. If you would like also to check what are my entry ideas, what is my stop loss, take profit, and how the price could behave the next week, where is the best entry point, you can also visit my trading community where I'm sharing these weekly trading ideas. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!